Hey guys, thank you for joining. Today I'm going to show you how a small multiple works for the new Power BI card visual, and also as a bonus I'm going to teach you how the new text slicer works in Power BI. Remember guys, this is part of the November 2024 Power BI update and I'm so ready to show you how to do this. So now without further ado, let's do this. Before we get started, make sure that you have the November 2024 Power BI update because these features are still in preview. If you don't know the type of version, go over help and then go over about and then you will see the version right here. For this particular case, I do have the November 2024 Power BI update, so I'm good to go. If you don't have it, go over Google and download the November 2024 Power BI update. Once you download it, make sure that you go to the preview features and check all the options for small multiples for the new card visual and also the new text slicer. So let's get started with small multiples. So this is the final product that we're trying to achieve here. We have here this card visual, which is the new card visual, as you can see right here, but we have a new feature called small multiples. And then you can see right here, small multiples. And here I have the product category. And that's why you are seeing multiple categories right here. Beauty, books, clothing, electronics, home appliances, and also sports. So our goal is to build something similar. So let me show you how this works. Let's go over small multiples right here. The first step is going to be insert the new card visual. Once you're there, let's go over the metric that we want to track. For this particular case, I care about revenue. If you go over here, let's look for revenue. And let's keep working. So let's go over here over reference labels. So we're going to add a label here to make this visual more interesting. For this particular case, let's go over previous month revenue. Let's select this. Once we are here, what we need to do next is we can customize this a little bit better as well. Revenue, custom. For this particular case, let's call this last month. And then we can also add some effect here, transparency 20%, and then if we go over value, let's go over here, it's gonna be bold, and then we can also keep enriching this visual. So let's go over detail here, let's activate detail, and for this particular case we're gonna go over the month over month growth percentage. It's right here, boom. And then what else can we do here? Let's go over background. It's gonna be black, and then for the font color, it's gonna be white. Boom. If you don't know how to create these measures right here to build a month over month growth, I'm gonna share with you a link as well here on the screen, so you can check it out, okay? So let's enrich this a little bit better. So let's go over here, and then right here, all divider. Let's remove the divider, okay? We don't care about the divider here. So let's keep customizing this. So let's go over callouts, values again, and then right here for label, so let's do this below value. So transparency, how about 20% here as well? So let's go over value, how about 20 right here? And then also we can make it bold. And then the next step here is going to be, let's go over the small multiples piece right here. So we care about product category, right? So let's drag and drop it here. And then what we need to do next is go over the small multiples layout. So this is going to be single row, and this is going to be 6. This is looking better, a little bit better here. Let's go over here, with more space. And you can keep playing with this if you want. So we can even go over here. Let's go back over here. And then we don't care about this background. And let's keep customizing this card visual. So let's go over here again. Let's go over small multiples layout. So for border, let's put it red here because we want to match the template, okay? And then we can have here 2. as the width. And then what else? For the grid lines, let's select here also red. Now let's go over small multiples header. For this one, we're gonna do this for all. Okay, for title, this is gonna be, the title is gonna be white, but then the background is gonna be red. So we are basically matching here the template, like I said before. It's up to you. For title, we can also center this. You can just keep adjusting here, so you can do whatever you want. So let's say that you want to customize the reference here, the reference label, you can do that. So let's go back over here, reference label, the detail, let's put it 10 here instead, so in that way we have more space. You can do that as well. You can keep playing, but the point here is with this new card visual, you can keep customizing and enrich your Power BI report. See, now you can easily compare your categories. For these 2 months, for January and March, which category is performing better in terms of revenue? You can easily see here that electronics is doing really well, followed by home appliances. So now let's move on and talk about the new text slicer. The new text slicer is also an awesome feature released in the November 2024 Power BI update. This is the final result. This visual right here, if you go over here, this visual is coming from here, text slicer. Let's go over the example real quick. But the main goal with this visual is to filter by any specific word within a specific column or field. For this particular case, I'm filtering yellow, but you can select any color. You can select here, for example, blue, and then hit enter, and then automatically you can see the results just for blue. Let's go over to the new text slicer. Let's do this quickly. Let's go over here again, text slicer, and then we can start customizing this, okay? So the first thing that you need to do here is the following. For the field, we want to filter the product field or the product column. So what we need to do next is go over the data. Let's go over product and then drag it product over here. So then you can customize this as well. So let's say that we want to look product by color. You can say search product by color. And then right here, you can also customize this piece. So let's go over the input text feature here. So for the background, let's see this one right here. What does it mean? If you type something, see, that's the background. And then for text, so let's see here, this one right here. If you type something here now, check this out, this is working already. So let's say blue. Now you can quickly see that every product that has blue is filtered out here. So this is powerful. And then you can keep customizing if you want. If you don't like the background here, you can go over here and remove the background. Remove it there. Let's look for yellow. Hit enter. Boom. Everything that says yellow within the product column is filtered out. So this is really, really powerful, my friends. Keep playing with these features and let me know how it goes in the comments below. There you have it, my friends, small multiples for the new card visual in Power BI and also the new text slicer. Really powerful features released in the November 2024 Power BI update. If you found this tutorial helpful, as always, give me the thumbs up, share with your friends, and of course don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss anything. Thank you guys for your time and see you in my next tutorial.